Please check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. From our house to your house. Hi, this is Chris from Tech-HAUS with a DIY video for configuring the CASA Wi-Fi HS200 switch. You will require the Alexa and CASA apps installed on a smartphone that is on your local home network, a free Amazon account to use the Alexa app, and a free TP-Link CASA account to use the CASA app. If you have an existing account with these services, this can be used for these apps as well. Although I do not cover the app install, you can find these apps in the appropriate app store for your phone. Launch the CASA app and click the plus on the top right of the screen to add a new device. Select Device from the pop-up menu and then select Smart Switches from the list of devices. Press Smart Switch and select Wi-Fi Setup. When prompted, choose Yes, your smart switch is installed. Ensure the light on the switch is blinking orange and green and press orange and green to proceed. To connect to the switch, go to Settings on your phone, select Wi-Fi, and connect to the TP-Link Wi-Fi connection. Switch back to the CASA app to complete the setup. Now add it to your home network by providing the password if needed, and press Next. It will take some time to join your network. If you have the CASA skill set up in the Alexa app, you will see a pop-up indicating Alexa has discovered the switch. Normally, we will give the switch a name based on what it controls. In this case, we will accept the default. Press Next. We selected the default room, but you can select a room in which your device is located. Press Next. Select the switch icon and press Next. Press the Check Firmware button to see if the device firmware is up to date. The switch configuration is complete. Press Sounds Good. On the firmware update screen, press Got it. Scroll through the devices and find the device name Smart Switch, or the name you chose in the list. Now we can open the Alexa app. Press the device icon, press Search, and type in the name of the switch to ensure it is available in the Alexa app. Congratulations, you have successfully configured a Wi-Fi switch. From our house to your house. Do not forget to check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for choosing Tech-HAUS DIY videos.